Hi everyone, welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen sponsored by TSET. I am here with Chef Val from OUT School of Community Medicine, and Julie is joining us from TSET today. Thank you so much for being here. And I'm just gonna should we let Val just take
Better
over?
work.
Yes, what are we making today?
So we're making better baked beans, and I'm calling them better baked beans because normally you have a lot of sugar, a lot of salt, a lot of fat in baked beans. So we're slimming this down with some olive oil. We're giving the seasoning or the flavor from onions and garlic. We're adding tomato paste instead of ketchup or barbecue sauce, a little bit of brown sugar, balsamic vinegar, which is going to give us a lot of sweetness, acidity, and then instead of a prepared mustard, we're doing a dry mustard.
Very nice.
So that's going to really help us out with that. And really, all of those ingredients I just named off are just going to go in this pan with the caramelized onions and garlic. And you don't have to get it that caramelized if you don't have the time. It's still going to be delicious.
So is there any difference with, like, I know you mentioned instead of mustard versus dry mustard, just less sugar basically is what you're doing?
In the mustard, it's going to have a lot less salt because prepared mustard
Okay.
has a lot of sodium.
Okay,
And
perfect.
ketchup has more sugar than tomato paste.
Yes, totally. And salt, lots of salt.
And while she's dumping all that, I shouldn't say dumping.
It looks great.
While
It looks
she's
great.
making all of that, tell us a little bit about TSET.
Yes, so TSET is a state-based grant-making agency. So we have programs like the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline and also Shape Your Future. And our goal is to give real easy tips for busy moms, busy families to add healthier options to their plate.
Like the better baked beans, just making those little small changes that can make big differences. Okay, where are you at so far here?
Okay, so we have 4 cans of beans that are half drained. I used all different kinds of white beans, navy beans, northern beans, garbanzo beans, and cannellini beans. But don't feel limited by that, okay? So if you have black beans and you want to put them in your baked beans, do it. Kidney beans would also be a very traditional and perfect choice for this. So don't get caught up in the kind of beans because it's not going to make that much difference. So these are half drained, and they're just going to, I already sprayed this pan with a little bit of pan spray so it doesn't stick as bad. So when this is all mixed up, and we might need a couple more minutes for it to be all mixed up, this mixture just gets stirred into the beans and then baked in the oven for about 40 or 45 minutes.
And then because of the magic of TV, you get to see what it looks like.
Right.
So this is the finished product here, and I love this part because this is where Julie and I get to taste it. So have at it.
Thank you.
See what you think. I mean, they look amazing.
Very good. Very good.
So good.
Good.
Barbecue ready.
I was going to say, this is perfect for, I'm still eating.
Right. Take it to your cookout, take it to your barbecue for Memorial Day or all of your summer gatherings. And again, they're going to be better. They're not perfect. You know, this is not just crunching on romaine, but a little less salt and a little less sugar than your normal baked beans.
Exactly. Those little changes make a big difference. If you guys want to learn more about this recipe, take it to your next cookout, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.